sawzall and cut that door open a little bit wider so he can get his head through.
Please.
Okay. Does the front one need it too, or
Yes.
just the back?
Both of them.
Okay. Hey, widen him up so he can get his head through it on the way out.
You were great there. He said, after you jump my bait, my bluefish was at the edge of the pier on my
Did you get that video up from last night?
Miss the TJ today for falling on.
That's great. That's why you let him run. I bet you run right.
Zack with his third king on the season. First one might hit the deck Sunday the 28th. First fish almost spooled him, so he had to break it off because he looked at the end of his spool. Now he's fighting fish number 2.
That's why you gotta have these that are retarded. They don't see it coming back with them.
This is obviously not even hell in the bed.
Alright, those guys want to go on over there?
Yeah. Come on over.
But remember, you gotta step off the rail when you go side to side so you don't trip on the rods.
Oh, it's on fire. I'll
I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Is he in the rigs? Look down when you walk side to side, Zach. Don't trip over the rods. Hey, Tyler, grab mine. Tyler, grab mine.
Reel it up, Mark. Go under both of them.
Drop it down.
There you go.
Hey, Tyler, grab mine. Tyler.
Yeah.
Stay in front.
Man this rod.
Hey, DJ, give it to you. Take it.
What, man? Never mind.
Got another one on.
Yep. Number 3 of the season.
3 in like 2 weeks.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix the fluid tomorrow.
That's mine. Thanks, man. Oh, leader.
Eric, get ready for the gaff.
Alright, watch out.
I don't want to lock down.
It's a fucking shark.
No, he's back.
Yep, tail hooked. He's dead.
Alright, he's come undone.
Crank it in. Lift up.
That's good.
He's coming over to the left. No, he's coming in. Crank him. Lift up. Crank him in.
Pick this up, pick this up.
Here, grab this. Yep.
Pick it up. Picking him up.
Crank him in towards you. Back off the rail a little. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You got it. Oh, barely stuck, barely stuck. Eric,
Help me out, Eric.
stick. Oh, 2 barely stuck. It should come in. Oh, it's through.
Oh, yeah, mine's in there. King number 3. Heavy.
Yeah, he's heavy. Back up.
Get out. Back up. Hey, move his anchor off.
Ready?
That one's bigger.
All right. That's bigger than your last one.
He's 31. He's 34. He's 35. Pretty close to 35.
Yeah.
Hey, watch your foot, Zack.
Zach, if we wouldn't have adjusted your spool, you probably would have got broke off again.
That might have been the second king today I lost.
Could have been the second king you landed, you mean? Oh yeah. It's like I'd be, that's 30, 36, 34, 36.
That's your biggest one yet?
I don't know.
How big was the first?
25.
Yeah.
Pull up real quick, Zach. Start it.
Good fire. Get the rig at it first. Fire that.